Hello, let's see how we can very easy and quickly create 20 certificates. On the Canva homepage, we can enter certificate and we see the sizes. Okay, I'm choosing this one. And now we can choose any design we want. If we want, we can filter by style. For example, let it be professional. And now we can choose any design we want. Okay, let it be this one. We see the sizes. We can choose A4 or A5. I am leaving A5 and click customize this template. Now we can adjust all information. So we can enter our text. Now let's say that we have 20 names and surnames and we need the same certificate of our competition. Okay. Let's go to the left side menu, click apps and bulk rate. And here we can enter data manually. So I'm opening the list with names and surnames. Okay, now click Ctrl+C. I'm copying. Let's come back to our Canva and click enter data manually. Now we clear the table. Click here and paste all names. So I'm entering here that there is names and click done. Now we can click on the name and surname, click 3 dots and connect data and choose names. Now we can click continue and we see that there is all our list and we can click generate 20 designs. And here you go. We have 20 certificates on Canva very easy and very quickly. If you want to download, you can go to share button, click download, choose file type PNG or PDF, what you need, PDF. If you choose PDF, click flatten PDF, it is better. And choose all pages. So click all pages, done, and download. And PDF file will upload in your download section. That's it for today and see you next time.